Hello, Justin Pate here from the Wrap Institute, and Eurotech has asked us to test out their new premium cast digital print film called Evolve Duracast and give our feedback. We are always honored to do this as we have a true never stop learning attitude here at the Wrap Institute. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to walk you through how we approach a new film that you can easily incorporate for Evolve Duracast when you first use it. Then I'm going to wrap the hood and the side of this van. Once done, I'll finish with our feedback. So with that, let's wrap and roll. With any new film, the first thing is to do is to look at the data sheet. The thickness of the Duracast is 50 microns or 2 mil for the print layer, and for the lamination layer it's 55 microns or 2.1, which is pretty standard for most digital print cast PVC films. It can be printed on with all ink platforms, and it comes in widths of 137 centimeters and 152 centimeters. Now warranty, which is especially important in Australia, well, all that information is on these data sheets. And keep in mind that for zone 1 it's 10 years vertical, 6 years horizontal. Next up is printing and laminating, and keep in mind that standard protocols can be used. Also, be sure to test the profile being used so you get the best colors. And keep in mind that for eco-solvent and solvent inks, be sure to outgas for 24 hours before laminating. For install, it's always a good idea to take some samples and put it through a series of tests like the one you're about to see. One is slideability, so take the liner off, place it on a flat surface, and see how well it slides and glides. And in this case, you can see it has a medium attack, so it sticks right away when I squeegee. So keep in mind that if you're a solo installer working on large panels like the hood, we recommend putting a low-tack solution on. That'll make it easier. The air egress feature works really well, and scratches self-heal as normal with a heat gun, which is great. Also, keep in mind that we like to see how it stretches, and if it overstretches, how it can self-heal. So we like to place it over a wire trash can and heat it, stretch it, and as you can see, because we use a latex printer especially, it does whiten if it gets overstretched, but not a big problem because as you add heat, you can see it self-heals back 100%. Now lastly, the Wrap Institute has a zero stretch concept that it's all about the factory tension. So keep in mind with Duracast, and as we do this test, you can see there's a lot of built-in tension from the manufacturing process. So definitely keep this in mind during install and be very, very wary about overstretching the film, and make sure you put extra focus on post-heating to neutralize that built-in tension from the manufacturing process. So now that we've done all those tests, let's get to wrapping live panels. Now keep in mind I'll be using standard protocols that we use here at the Wrap Institute, and I'll be making mental notes of any specific tweaks or characteristics that stand out with the Duracast, and I'll fill you in at the very end. So let's get to it. So with the hood and side complete, here's my feedback. For the hood, the low-tack solution definitely helped in making adjustments, picking it on or off the surface to make sure it's straight, and zero stretch for the curves on the sides worked really well, and that takes advantage of that factory tension. And in terms of cutting and finishing, straightforward. For the large panel on the side, again, that low-tack solution helps in making adjustments as a solo installer, and the film conforms really well in and out of the recessed area, both when you feed it in and form it in. And when forming it in, zero stretch also again makes a big difference as it relaxes the film and takes away that factory tension. And the final result has a very solid gloss finish. So with that, the assessment of the Wrap Institute on this film is that it performs just as good as other PVC digital print films in the market. Yet of course we base this solely on installation performance. How well it holds up in, let's say, 1 or 2 years, especially in Australia, is to be determined, so no input from our side there. The fact that it comes in 10, 22, and 45 meter rolls is really cool, and the Zone 1 warranty is solid. So I hope you picked up some good information about the Eurotech Evolve Duracast digital print film. Thanks for watching. I'm Justin Pate.